So guys, we do unboxing right now. See what happening. I like this kind of tape. See what's in here, guys. Woo! See the KitchenAid. Yeah, that's the entire box inside. Since they were like, I don't know how many percent was discount, and they also, because I'm member to them and been too long to them, so they give me $10. I didn't even reach the minimum order for a year, but since I buy to them every now and then, so they give a kind of promo. So they give me $10 each year just to buy, to go back to them and buy them. Actually, the David Jones, they're really good brand and really good reputation company next to the Myers. So when they sell, guys, like AOF, end of financial year, AOFY, end of financial year, like now, this month, then they get really good discounted. So let's gonna open it, guys. This is a cordless thing, and also got removable battery, but so removable, works with removable battery. Used with kitchen, so that's sold separately, so I didn't buy that one, so I don't know how this happened. So battery not included as well either, and this is cordless. So let's just say our juicer has been stopped up for 2 years now, so I've just got only this year to buy it again, because we just only do manually. So this time we just do realize we do 1-2 more juices, like it's seasonal fruits like oranges, mandarins, and tomato, or anything juices that thing. So we decided to do, so I just get this first time 16 ounces or 473 ml. So let's gonna go have a look inside, guys. Maybe in the next time when you come here, I'll just show you what's inside. So here is the receipt. It was in the bottom, so that's why it looked like that. And the tiny little bag that I bought, and they were cheap too. I need to go out because my bag is run out and it's like pulling apart. Before I bought the bag or anything, I make sure I need that. So there you go, I bought one, and then they're really like not so cheap and not so cheap and not so expensive either. Alright guys, in the next episode, I'm going to show you what it look like. It is KitchenAid cordless citrus juicer. See you guys. Cheers.